BookBites presents Verity, Dark Secrets and Twisted Truths. The accident. That morning, death brushed past me. I didn't know it was guiding me somewhere darker. The offer. Jeremy's wife was a best-selling author in a coma. He wanted me to finish her story. The house. Verity couldn't move, but I swear she watched me. The manuscript. It wasn't fiction, it was confession. Verity's truth. She didn't fall in love with him. She hunted him, calculated, deliberate, obsessed. 6. The twins. She adored Chasten with a fierce tenderness, but resented Harper from the very beginning. 7. Cruelty. She wrote in chilling detail how she wanted Harper gone. How, sometimes, accidents weren't really accidents. 8. The deaths. Both daughters were lost. One slipped beneath the surface of the water, one never woke up, or at least, that's what Verity claimed. 9. Lowen's. Fear. She never blinked, never flinched, never moved, but somehow I knew she saw everything. 10. The kiss. She was paralyzed, frozen in silence, yet her presence lingered like a ghost haunting every breath we took. 11th. The discovery. Little signs, subtle movements, everything she wanted us to believe was an act. 12. The confrontation. She rose from the shadows, screaming, wild. She was never ill, just hiding in plain sight. 13. The final decision. Jeremy chose me, and in that moment, I chose silence over truth. 14. The letter. She said it was fiction, all of it. A twisted sacrifice to keep Jeremy. A mother's truth, or one last manipulation. 15th. Final reflection. If she was lying, she took it to the grave. If she was honest, then he's a killer. And me, I chose never to know for sure. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which book you want to see next.